Hi there, Danny Clausen with Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage, part of the Inner Circle team here. And I wanted to talk to you today about something that we come across in most of our transactions, and that is the request for repairs. During the transaction, the buyer will have a home inspection and they will receive their inspection report, and they'll take a look at those items, have a conversation with us as their realtor, and they'll say, you know what, we'd like to request a couple items that for the seller to fix. In this case, let's say they'd like to have the doorbell fixed, broken light fixed, and a loose shingle addressed. So we'll formulate that request and send it over to the seller. From there, the seller has 5 days to take a look at that and respond. Their response can be one of three things. They can choose to say, great, we'll fix all 3 items. Or they can say, you know what, we'll fix the doorbell and the loose shingle. Or they can decide to fix none of them. As we receive the response of one of their 3 things that how they're going to respond, we'll receive that response and we'll take a look at it and we'll say, you know what, this works for us and our clients, or our clients may decide that this doesn't work for them and decide to go ahead and keep looking for another property. Anyway, those are the 3 steps for the repair request, and wanted to give everybody an overview of that. So let us know if you have further questions. We're happy to discuss it with you. Have a great day.